Welcome back to the channel, and this is Electric Jack. And it's been 3 months since we installed the solar panels. It is mid-April, and they're looking good. I'm going to just get some view of it after those many months of installs. And I did notice there's a little white dot on the right of the panels. You'll see that shortly. That is this bird residue. Other than that, we've had some rain and it definitely cleared up some of the dirt on the panel. So that's a good thing. So we're just going to go look over everything and see what changed since the install. And the only thing it looks like it actually got cleaner. Now with this quick update, we did get permission to sell energy back to the grid. And with that, there was actually some changes in the Tesla app for the solar energy. I just want to go over those because those were kind of interesting. New features came up. You see, instead of being one line, now you can tell it to charge on solar before anything else. And this is a better representation how the car shows up in it. So you can see a percentage goes to the car, percentage goes to the battery, and of course the house gets the primary um, option. So this screen has changed since we got permission to operate. And if you have any questions, please let me know and I'll answer them in the comments. And I want to thank you for watching. And if you're going to actually buy a Tesla, we'd appreciate using my referral code. And again, thank you for watching.